Hey guys, welcome to Matt Tech. Today we'll be learning how to pause Snapchat location, and now let's dive right in. Now to pause your Snapchat location, first open up your Snapchat app and make sure to be logged into your account. And on this interface guys, at the bottom left corner of the screen you can see there is the maps or the location icon. Tap on that icon just beside the messaging icon and you'll be on this interface guys. And on over here at the top right corner of the screen you can see the settings or the gear icon. Tap on that and over here you will be able to find the ghost mode, and you can see guys, whenever your friends can't see your location, tap on that ghost mode to tap on that toggle icon to turn on the ghost mode. And after that you can see you will be able to choose the time until when you want to turn on the ghost mode. So I'll be just tapping on until turned off. And over here you can see where it says when enabled your friends can't see your location. And over here you can also see that at the top where it says the my last active location, and it says your location history updates while you have open Snapchat open, means that guys your location will be frozen or paused over here wherever you go. And with that being said guys, this is how you pause Snapchat location. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.